My name is Zia. I am from Malacan. If any student has any problem, you can send me a message or call me at 03409232753. I have a YouTube channel named Z Studio. Please visit and subscribe to my channel. Lumion is a popular 3D rendering software that architects, designers, and other professionals use to create stunning visualizations of architectural projects. Known for its ease of use, Lumion features a user-friendly interface that is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. The software's real-time rendering capability allows users to see changes as they make them, enhancing the design process. Lumion delivers high-quality visuals with a vast library of realistic materials and textures, advanced lighting effects, and shadow settings that enhance the realism of any scene. It includes an extensive library of objects such as furniture, people, trees, and other assets that can be easily integrated into scenes, and users can also add sound effects to make presentations more immersive. Lumion is used for a range of applications, including architectural visualization to create lifelike visualizations of buildings and landscapes, interior design to showcase detailed and realistic designs, urban planning to visualize large-scale projects, and real estate marketing to create compelling visual content. Its benefits include fast rendering times, which are crucial for meeting tight project deadlines, and the ability to produce high-quality visuals that help better communicate design ideas. By enhancing client presentations and pitches, Lumion makes them more engaging and persuasive. Lumion stands out for its ability to quickly and efficiently turn CAD models into stunning 3D visualizations, making it an essential tool for professionals in the architectural and design industries. The software's animation tools allow users to create animations that showcase how a space will look and feel in motion, while special effects like rain, fog, and sunlight bring scenes to life. Lumion supports various file formats including SketchUp, Revit, and 3ds Max, ensuring compatibility with other design software, and its live-sync feature enables real-time rendering synchronization with CAD software. This allows users to model and render simultaneously. For output, Lumion can produce high-resolution images and videos for presentations and client reviews, as well as 360-degree panoramas for virtual tours.